Good morning, Jumpin' Jack here. It's Tuesday, June the 9th, and of course right now Bitcoin is bearish still. It had a big drop from 80K down to 59K again, retesting the lows, and then just recently it popped back up a little bit and now it's coming down again. But let's have a look and see what the chart's doing. Now, this theory that I'm about to talk about, I'm using the monthly chart, so it could, just because it shows a broader market. Anyway, so behind me is the monthly chart. Now, there's a pattern I've noticed with Bitcoin, and maybe it's a coincidence. I'm hoping it's not, so let's dive into it. So behind me here we have the, as far back as like 2018, which was one of the Bitcoin halvings right here, 2017-18. So here we have this support line right here, and then we have a top that was a Bitcoin rise and down, and then the pattern that I'm noticing is that every time we have a Bitcoin halving and the next cycle it moves up, we have a bull run and then it comes down, and we have a bull run, it comes down. Now, what I'm noticing is that the bottom of the bear market is the top of the previous bull run. Makes sense. So that seems to be happening over and over again here. So there it is, and it went up, came down. The bottom of this bear market right here was pretty much lined up with that way, but it's so small I didn't really show much of it. And then we moved up again, and then we come back down, and we're at the top of this bull run right here. Right there. And then we have another bull run, and then we've come down, and now we're at the top of this bull run right here. So it would be indicative to me that we're pretty darn close to having Bitcoin move up again. So I would be dollar cost averaging, not selling. No fear. You buy when everyone's fearful, which everyone is. Fear is like it's at its maximum right now. So if we look down here at the stochastic RSI, as you can see, right here, right there at the bottom again. Now I come over here, and now look at that, we're there again. Now, Bitcoin could go into the 50Ks. I think maybe maximum capitulation would be maybe 50K-ish, somewhere around there. I'm not going to say exact numbers, but I think it's in the 50K zone somewhere, again, where we will reverse and go back up again. And I think the next time we have a reversal, it's going to be pretty significant. We're going to see possibly this. We're going to break this line here, go above the last all-time high, go up, and then maybe come back down again to test the top like the previous cycle. So each cycle we're seeing quite the gain now, but the gains seem to be cutting in half each time, so it looks like it's taking longer and longer, or more and more capital obviously to push the Bitcoin price up. So then we have, like, this was like a 200% gain, this is a 100% gain, so I'm expecting maybe this only to be like a 50% gain from the top right here, not from here, of course. Anyways, that's my speculation, and if you like this video, hit share, leave a comment, hit like. I'd love to hear from you, and this is not financial advice, it's just what I see based on chart indicator history, and we'll talk to you next time. Hope you have a great day.